Yeah, पहला पहला प्यार. So in school I was like an influencer. पहले तो मैं सेकंड
Influencer.
चांसेस देती थी. वो when I was in my 20s, छोटे हैं उनकी सबकी शादी हो रही है and my mom was going crazy. I was not ready to move on, to be honest. He'll be like, no one's gonna love you more than me. I have to keep buying different shades of red to actually find my perfect shade of red. And I'm the first girl in my family who's out of the country. पानी करना है, just do it, ताकि
Do
कल
it.
जाके तुम्हें ऐसी फीलिंग ना आए, यार मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया. शादी रश मत करो. Can you see this person as the father of your child?
Let's
We
get
are
on.
on record.
ओके, तो
तो
फिर
समझ की
आई
चीजें कहना.
हाँ, अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें कहेंगे। तो फर्स्ट चीज़ तो मुझे एक वो करना है कि आई स्टार्टेड विद मेकिंग अ ह्यूज स्पीच अबाउट कि मैं नाज़नीन को दी कहूँगी और वो मेरी सिस्टर है, और करते 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 आई एम कॉलिंग हर नाज़नीन। आपसे वो
What?
तुम हो गया है, या सो आई फील लाइक अ फ्रेंड, सो आई कॉल यू नाज़नीन।
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ओके, तो फिर लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी अबाउट योर वीक, हाउ वाज योर वीक? आई नो इट वाज हेक्टिक, बट फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स, हाउ हेक्टिक वाज इट?
My week was so hectic. क्या कहूँ, like I love my work, but then I think it's too hot. The weather is too hot over here. अभी summer start हो गया है. गाड़ी में भी बैठो, you feel like the moment you open that car door, you feel like it's a sauna. So work has been so hectic, but as because I love my job, it's emotionally not affecting me, but physically I would drain. There is this a life coach which I keep following. His name is Mitesh Khatri. So the one thing he says one thing, like when things are not working, you should say time for double happiness. So when things are going really bad in your life, you should be like thank yeah, time for double happiness. So
When
मैं
did you
even
start this? ये मितेश खत्री को follow करना, या फिर all that you said about karmic energy, all of reading all of those things. When did you start?
karmic,
You
I would say like getting into spirituality. Like I've always been very spiritual since I was a kid,
अच्छा,
and but growing, I mean, पता जब छोटे हो तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलता
पता नहीं
कि.
चलता.
तो अभी before this recording, I was in a visualization kind of a guided meditation. So I would say it was a guided meditation. It's like आप आंखें बंद करके आप visualize कर रहे हो.
टेलिंग समथिंग, जब हम मेडिटेट करते हैं इसलिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है बहुत लोगों के लिए करना. लाइक फॉर मी इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज आई फील वेरी एंक्शियस, लाइक whatever आई एम scared of or whatever आई एम anxious of about in my life right now, that comes rushing to me कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये बाकी है, वो करना है, ये failures है. So when you sit and you are meditating, there's no one around, what thoughts makes you anxious? ऐसा कुछ है which what makes you
वो
anxious,
ऑटोमेटिकली
है
आ
ना?
जाता है. The same like you, even I'll get all those thoughts.
ये क्या है, ये अनवांटेड थॉट्स क्या है? दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू नो, कि अगर कुछ शेयर करने के लायक हो.
It's a waste. I'll tell you what is it. It'll be like maybe an argument I had with a person at work, or maybe I'm like thinking that यार मैं अभी जब मैं काम करने लगी हूँ तब से मेरा वेट बढ़ने लगा है. जब मैं काम नहीं कर रही थी तब तो मेरा वेट घट रहा था. और I'll be
हाँ.
like, oh my God, how will I pay off my credit card bills? मैं कैसे how will I come out of this debt? Or I'll be like, यार I'm not able to wear any fitted clothes क्योंकि my tummy is still bulging out. I look like a 5 months preg. These are the most wasteful, unwanted thoughts, right? So these yeah, these are the unwanted thoughts just keep. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ serious, बहुत serious कुछ
अच्छा,
हुआ
वैसा
है.
नहीं होता है, वैसा नहीं
ऐस
होता है,
नहीं, it's
वैसा
not
नहीं
like
होता
the
है.
thoughts only come because something bad happened, but like all these things which is bothering you, which is like affecting you, which has affected you throughout the day, it will start sneaking in after a few minutes.
ऑलराइट. सो एक बात बताओ कि देयर वाज अ टाइम इन योर लाइफ वेयर यू वर अ चाइल्ड, और फिर 20s फिर 30s, फिर एक टॉक्सिक जॉब था बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा, और फिर अभी इट्स स्टेबल. बट अभी अगर इस मोमेंट पे इफ आई सी नाज़नीन एंड वट एवर ट्रेट्स यू हैव विच यू लाइक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, सम ऑफ इट विच यू हेट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, जो भी है, which phase of your life has made you that person? Like it has the maximum contribution. क्या वो बचपन का या फिर जॉब के learnings या कौन सी phase of life से you have learned and been inspired the most to be this person?
A decision where a 21-year-old wouldn't think of making. I've made such big decisions on behalf of my family, and I would say that one decision was like the butterfly effect that actually changed a lot of things for
What was
good.
that?
That was leaving my toxic dad. One fine day, I still remember it was December 2009, it was winter, and as usual, dad was getting violent. He was, assaulting my mom, and it was one of the episodes जो सालों से हो रहा है for decades. And I just finished my 12th. I finished my 12th. I just finished my 12th, and I saw this, and then I went and told my mom, you know what? Let's just. I looked at my mom and I was like, she's been enduring this for like decades, और कितना बर्दाश्त करेगी? I think it's time. Like it's too much for her. I mean, she was tolerating him for us. So I went and told my mom, you know what? Let's just leave him. It's You don't have to be with him anymore. Like
How old were
so.
you? You were 18 then, right?
I was 2021.
2021. Okay. And you had a sister and a brother also who was
Yeah,
younger.
we are like five siblings. I have two elder brothers, and then me, then
Now
my
वो लोग
younger.
कहाँ थे? Your elder brothers were in the house?
My eldest brother, he was not at home. He got married and he was staying
अच्छा
separate.
हाँ, काफी एज
And
गैप भी है उनमें हाँ.
like he's almost 9 years elder to me. And then I have a second elder brother. And so I told my mom, like, you don't have to stay with him anymore. Just leave him. Like, it's enough. Like, how much you'll endure and all.
But she
I don't.
agreed. Like a lot of women, they choose to stay because, but
No,
she
for my
did agree.
mom, I don't know. I think it's like for my mom, it was a relief. Like, she's been dying to hear that. Yeah, like the look on her face, it was as if like she's been dying to hear that for like years. Like she wanted to come out of this, and finally she's able to. That whole relief on her face that she's able to come out of it, that she can leave this person finally. I don't know. Like for her, it was such a big relief, and she didn't even have a second thought.
But tell me something, Nasin. When you were growing up, there was a her upbringing was also like that. You said there was a difference between a boy and a girl. कि ठीक है, there are more privileges given to a guy, more freedom probably.
Yeah.
But then when you told your mother, let's take this step, she
Mm.
did give you that respect where she's like, okay, I'm listening to my daughter. So did that strengthen the relationship?
Expecting it to come from the son, and it came from the daughter.
Ah, that's the thing. But
Yeah.
it did come, but huh.
Yeah, it did come, but it came from the most unexpected gender. That was the
Right,
thing.
right.
So I think she was expecting. Obviously, every mother expects the son. So बेटे ने नहीं किया यार, बेटी ने कर दिया.
हमारे पेरेंट्स को मोस्टली रहता है कि बच्चों को अच्छा पढ़ लिख के कुछ अपना कर ले. एवरीबडी वांट्स दैट. सो
हम्म.
बचपन में व्हेन यू वर हैविंग सो मच प्रॉब्लम्स तो तभी पढ़ाई पे या फिर लेट्स से हैविंग अ नॉर्मल चाइल्डहुड, लेट्स से ऑब्वियसली डेटिंग पे तो आ रहे हैं व्हिच वाज क्वाइट अ जर्नी, बट उसके पहले व्हेन बॉयज वर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, डिड योर स्टडीज सफर और डिड यू लाइक हैविंग अ नॉर्मल चाइल्डहुड, डिड यू मिस दैट, डू यू थिंक?
My studies, yes, it did suffer, but the
है
good
ना?
part was
या
I was very good at studies. I joined school for the first time at the age of 9,
ओ माय
and
गॉड, दैट्स क्वाइट
yeah,
लेट. या
yeah, and I was put in second grade in second term. So imagine, and I was when the final term exam results came out, I came eighth among 40 plus students. तो
ओके.
एकेडमिक में मैं बहुत अच्छी थी, हर चीज़ में जल्दी सीख जाती थी, तो क्लासेस मिस भी हो जाए तो इफेक्ट नहीं होता था. आई यूज्ड टू पिक अप फास्ट, एंड फॉर मी स्टडिंग वाज़न्ट समथिंग दैट वाज हार्ड. बट या, एज यू से, व्हेन यू grow up in a, क्या बोलते
Dysfunctional
हैं,
family.
yeah, dysfunctional family, as you grow up things starts affecting you emotionally, and things do change in you in a great extent. So it did affect my studies in the later stage of life. As time went by, I lost interest in studies. क्योंकि देयर वाज अ पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ वेयर व्हेन आई रीच्ड 8th स्टैंडर्ड उन्होंने कहा कि एक्चुअली शी स्किप्ड फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड और उसके सारे रिकॉर्ड्स ग्रेड 1 में है एंड वी मेड हर सिट इन सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड एंड दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि एज पर रिकॉर्ड शी वाज सपोज टू बी बट उन्होंने गलती कर दी उन्होंने जाके उसको सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में बिठा दिया तो माय मॉम वाज लाइक तो क्या कर सकते हैं इट्स ओके आप चेंज करने ही नहीं अभी हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते शी नीड्स टू रिपीट द क्लास so in
Oh,
8th standard I had to repeat the class and that actually damaged me in a great extent because
of course,
I
yeah.
was so good in studies. I mean, like it reached to a point कि no matter how much I study, no matter how much I score, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है and still I have to repeat the class. तो उसके बाद मेरा पढ़ाई पढ़ाई से तो मेरा मन ही हट गया था. Like I didn't feel like studying. I was like यार क्या फ़ायदा इतना कुछ पढ़ाई करके like I mean इतना साल में इतनी अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रही थी and still it didn't help me to go ahead. They just following it's a mistake from their end and I had to pay the price. सो फ्रॉम देन ऑन लाइक मेरी स्टडीज़ पे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हो गया है एंड विच समथिंग आई एम वेरी अवेयर ऑफ एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू change that thing, trying to
Hard work,
yeah
sir.
yeah rework on that and go back to how I was that person who loved studying and uh, who used to never procrastinate. अभी तो मैं procrastination बहुत ज़्यादा करती हूँ.
तो ये तो हमारा नया लव लैंग्वेज है अपनी तरफ प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन. राइट, सो नाउ दैट वाज 8th स्टैंडर्ड. उसके बाद 4 साल बाद इट वाज 12th स्टैंडर्ड व्हेन यू मेट योर फर्स्ट, कहते हैं ना, लव ऑफ लाइफ, व्हिच वी
Mhm.
थिंक उस टाइम पे लव ऑफ लाइफ है. सो ही वाज योर फर्स्ट बॉयफ्रेंड, राइट? लाइक
Yeah,
ऑफिशियल बॉयफ्रेंड, है ना?
yeah.
या. सो where do we start that bad story?
Oh, like, yeah, pehla pehla pyar. So in school, I was like an influencer.
अरे.
Everyone from first grade to 12th, everyone knew me.
12th पे, अच्छा, 12th के बाद you went to India then college के लिए.
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So,
Alright.
so 12th में I changed to commerce. That's when I met him.
Okay, okay, and butterflies हुआ, फिर बातें हुई, all of that, and your health was also improving, तभी सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है finally, बहुत ही
Yeah,
dark
yeah.
time के बाद,
So
है ना?
मैं ऐसे सोच रही थी कि वो सब कुछ अच्छे के लिए हुआ है, the reason why I switched to commerce, everything was so good.
The prince was waiting
Oh,
for me.
yeah, the prince in white armor.
Oh God.
आ,
हाँ.
हाँ तो एस बट होता है ना लाइक आई वाज वेयरिंग दोज रोज टिंटेड ग्लासेस तो फाइनली
Yeah,
मेरे
yeah.
वो फाइनली आई टुक ऑफ माय रोज टिंटेड ग्लासेस मैन I was this girl who was so committed.
Oh God, yes, I know that. I know that.
Yeah,
कहीं बट लड़का
I'm that
wasn't.
committed girl, right? जहाँ पे हो के बंदे से committed रहना चाहिए.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था? इंडिया में अच्छा
It
था
was
एक्सपीरियंस
it
या?
was it was literally a cultural shock because
Really?
I grew up in Dubai. I came here when I was a 1-year-old baby. So my whole life I've lived here and and I'm very modern. I'm not very conservative and I'm like very modern compared to where I come from. So when I went there, it was literally a cultural shock for me. And people जो मुझे वहाँ वो लोग मुझे alien की तरह देखते थे कि she doesn't belong here. I couldn't adjust over there. I somehow मैंने 3 साल निकाला and finally I told my mom, you know what, I'll go back and I start working. I mean, it was also better because I was like, why should just my brothers work? So I told mom, like, I want to go back and start working. So that's how I came back.
Welcome
And
back. Dubai.
so I was like, yeah, finally, 3 साल बाद, finally I'm gonna reunite with my partner. But then मुझे the biggest shock of my life. I was
Yeah, I
like,
know.
मैं वापस आई मैं खुश थी एंड उसी टाइम उसको इंडिया जाना था. ही वाज इन इंडिया एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर हिम लाइक ओके ठीक है विल बी कमिंग बैक बट देन सडनली मैंने नोटिस किया कि इसके मैसेजेस लेट आ रहे हैं वो लेट रिप्लाई कर रहा है and his replies are very one worded. There's no proper conversation. So suddenly you know the girl instinct, यार कुछ तो है but you don't want
गड़बड़
to
है.
accept it. ये बंदा तो
Yeah.
निकल चुका है but you don't want to accept it. And he came back from India and he didn't even tell me कि, I'm back, because this person कल तक तो he was waiting for me to come back. He was like, I can't wait to see you, this that. And suddenly like he didn't even inform me he's
कितना
back.
टाइम था वो इंडिया में?
एक हफ्ते के लिए गया था.
एक हफ्ते में प्यार हो गया था ना उसको?
हाँ,
एक
that's
हफ्ते में
what.
नई लड़की. वाओ.
हाँ,
वाओ.
जैसे ना तुम मार्केट में गई और तुम्हें कोई रास्ते में, इट्स लाइक तुम सैमसंग फोन यूज कर रहे हो, तुम बाहर के मैंने मुझे आईफोन देखा, मैंने आईफोन ले लिया. And I came to know from a common friend that oh he's here, like he's come
He's,
back.
yeah.
And then हमारा रियूनियन था, सारे फ्रेंड्स साथ में मिलने का प्लान बना रहे थे, एंड ही आई न्यू ही इज़ गोना बी देयर. एंड जिस दिन हमारा मिलने का प्लान था, ही सेंड मी अ मैसेज लाइक हाय, हाउ आर यू. आई एम लाइक आई एम गुड. एंड वो अंदर ही अंदर मुझे वो फीलिंग आ रही थी, यार कुछ तो
ब्रेकअप होने वाला है.
समथिंग, कुछ तो ब्रेक, लाइक it's like you can't accept, तुम ना तुम्हारा mind body and soul is not ready to accept it, but your body is preparing yourself for something worse. तो उसने वो मैसेज पे डाल दिया लाइक लिसन, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट आई वाज इन इंडिया एंड देन आई मेट दिस गर्ल एंड आई एम इन लव विद हर. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. I didn't even know how to react. Like फिर मैं ऐसे पूछती कौन है ये लड़की, like no I don't want to tell you. And suddenly his attitude towards me changed. Suddenly he's so rude towards me, like पता नहीं, like राह चलती कोई बंदी से वो बात कर रहा है, like he was started becoming so rude. I don't want to tell you, you don't have to know, it's none of your business. So all that, and then फिर मैंने ज़्यादा उससे कोई बात नहीं की, मैंने वहीं पे बात छोड़ दी. And that was really shocking for me.
Tell me, like, if you have grown up watching a very unhealthy relationship, तुम्हारा पहला experience खराब गया,
Hmm.
did that change your view of love? Because I know you're still hopeful, but अभी you're hopeful, but उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगा था कि सारे लड़के बुरे हैं, and वो men hatred
नहीं,
जो आता है वो नहीं हुआ था ना?
नहीं ऐसे कुछ फीलिंग आ
नहीं
ही
हुआ
नहीं
था.
रही थी. See, first of all, at that time, I was still young when this happened again. Even when I came
Yeah.
back, I was what, 24, 25. I met amazing people who understand me, who are there for me, who listen to me. And I also try to be the same person for them. So I feel so
Are
blessed
you
in that
quick to
way.
make friends, or do you take a like long time to make friends? कि किसी पर विश्वास करने में do you take a long time, or are you quick to?
I think it's the vibe, it's the compatibility. When कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, तुम मिलते हो, बात करते हो, and you just there's some kind of
Wow.
a
Yeah.
strong connection, and you
Spark.
you guys
Yeah.
become so close. Like
Yeah.
like when I started working recently, so I met these two girls in my workplace. We connected instantly, and हम जितना बात कर रहे थे, हम एक दूसरे को इतना अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे थे, लाइक वी वेर enjoying द कंपनी ऑफ ईच अदर, कि इतना इंजॉय कर रहे थे कि वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग रील्स, वी स्टार्टेड हैंगिंग आउट. हम लोग अभी ट्रिप के लिए भी सोच रहे हैं. ऐसा तो कभी भी
हाँ.
आई वॉज लाइक मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स इन 30s इज वेरी हार्ड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक
Yeah. Yeah.
क्योंकि we all are grown up, we all have our own lives. It's
हमारी
not like वो
सेट वेज
कॉलेज
है.
स्कूल टाइम पे where you just want friends to hang out and party and all that. अभी we just want people जिसके साथ आप बैठ के रिलैक्स कर सको. So I think this was so unexpected and I feel so happy about it.
तो ये फ्रेंडशिप वाला में, बट पीपल हु आर गिवर्स, हु आर क्विक टू believe in people, whenever they take time to even understand that they are being abused or used or whatever, like they've been taken for granted. Let's not get to abuse, वो ज़्यादा हो गया, but they've been taken for granted. Like it happens with givers, right? But with you told me that the moment somebody is not giving you 100%, if you are the one giving 100%, you do pull back, right?
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
वो वाला बैलेंस कहीं पे ऐसा हुआ कि किसी पे चोट खा के पता चला कि दिस इज नॉट, लाइक हाउ डू यू नो, लाइक वो फीलिंग, एंड हाउ इजी इट इज फॉर यू टू push back कि अभी बस you're not my friend anymore. Do you confront them कि you did this
हाँ,
wrong या फिर
ऐसा नहीं
you
कि I'll
confront them?
ghost it, I'll go silent and all that. I'll confront कि there was this instance where you didn't stand up for me. You knew I was right and you didn't stand up for me. So that was not right, and then I
But
pull
I know
back.
you would believe in second chances. तो वो लोग ऐसे करके कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you have asked
देखो
forgiveness and
पहले
then
तो
you've
मैं
forgiven
सेकंड
them.
चांसेस देती थी. वो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 20s आई यूज्ड टू गिव
अब वो
सेकंड.
दौर नहीं रहा.
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं किया. आई रिमेम्बर आई गेव अ फ्रेंड सेकंड चांसेस एंड देन अगेन सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा था. वी वर हैंगिंग आउट, वी वर हैविंग गुड टाइम्स. बट वो सेकंड चांस में भी मैंने नोटिस किया है कि वो जो मेरे दिल में उसके लिए जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो तो पहले से ज़्यादा थोड़ी कम हो गई है. आई थिंक इट्स बिकम
हाँ,
हाफ. आई
वो
नोटिस इट.
ट्रस्ट
यस
नहीं
वी वर हैंगिंग
रहा.
आउट एंड बट वो आधा हो गया. बट सेकेंड टाइम ऑल्सो शी हैड एन इंस्टेंट वेयर शी वॉज सपोज टू स्टैंड अप फॉर मी बट शी डिडंट. देन वो ज़ीरो हो गया था. सो उसके बाद से वेन एवर आई हैव एन इंस्टेंट लाइक दिस देन आई एम लाइक आई पुल बैक. ऐसा नहीं कि आई बिकम वेरी बिटर नेगेटिव, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट I'll maintain that courtesy and that cordial relationship. If it is
But
too
that's a
toxic,
superpower. Like
see,
you're
if it's,
moving back without the
yeah,
bitterness.
so if it's
Yeah, it
too
is.
toxic तो मैं उसकी शक्ल भी ना देखनी चाहिए. बट अदर देन दैट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई मेंटेन दैट कॉर्डियल रिलेशनशिप. बट वो दिल में
You
जो ना
too.
वो होते हैं ना, वो माई फ्रेंड, वो माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, जो उनके साथ जो मिलके यू फील लाइक ओ आई लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम विथ हर, आई लव दिस वुमेन एंड ऑल दैट, वो वाली फीलिंग चली जाती है. You just maintain that cordial, I just maintain that cordial relationship.
Right, right. No, this breakup, all of that shit happened when you were 25, 26, I say mid 20s mein tha. So from there was a long journey, abhi tak. So I know one major relationship, we talked about that, but we will get to that. But before that, the most recent relationship that you had, before that, beach mein, when you were in a job which you didn't like that much और वो टॉक्सिक भी हो गया था, वो सब कुछ हुआ. और फिर वहाँ पे like what was your how did you navigate your early 30s? Because तभी पेरेंट्स का ही प्रेशर होता है कि अभी शादी का प्राइम टाइम है, अभी अरेंज मैरिज कर लो या फिर अभी किसी को देख लो या whatever. Like what was that like for you? सब कुछ करियर,
Um,
प्रोफेशनल, पर्सनल, सब बताओ.
I was happy that I got, I'm in an MNC. My job is going good. I'm earning like six figures. So in that way I was fine. But
Financially
again,
happy,
जैसे
yeah.
तुमने कहा, like my mom was pressure. My mom was going crazy because I'm still not married. शी इज गोइंग क्रेजी क्योंकि फैमिली में रिलेटिव्स में सबकी एक एक करके जो मुझसे छोटे हैं, आई मीन आई एम द एल्डेस्ट पे
शादी हो रही है.
जो मुझसे छोटे हैं उनकी सबकी शादी हो रही है. एंड माई मॉम वॉज गोइंग क्रेजी लाइक एनी ब्राउन पेरेंट. माई मॉम वॉज जस्ट गोइंग क्रेजी. तुम शादी नहीं कर रहे हो बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड. क्यों, कोई भी अच्छा
Yeah.
आता है.
Of course, yeah. I don't want to
आई
get
वॉज
married.
And I would say a lot had to do with me also. I was not ready to move on, to be honest. I was still
That
stuck where I
guy.
was left. Yeah, I was still stuck where I was. And this is what happens when you love someone so deeply. When you're I was not ready to move on because I was like,
But
oh,
still,
like,
you were not bitter. Kaise? Were you not
yeah,
bitter? Yet you are harming yourself. Wow,
yeah.
nice.
Because again, I would say this
Big
is,
heart.
this, yeah, because I don't know why I was, because I used to see like girls around me moving on, they're jumping from one to another, or they're just finding a guy and getting married. I'm like, यार मेरे मुझे मुझे ना ऐसे like move on करने के लिए भी कोई अरे सामने like ऐसा कोई मिल भी नहीं रहा था. Like at least you have to meet someone like जिससे भी मैं मिलती हूँ किसी से भी वो है ना वो वाली क्लिक वो
Right, नहीं हो रही.
आ रही है. And so that's why I think it took like 5 years because I was not ready to move past that. I was like still stuck over there to that place where this person has left me.
Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so
Here,
फिर it slowly I started mastering the courage. I started telling myself, you know what, it's time to move on. Like you need to move on. You need to go forward in life. And I started
did you check
focusing.
his stories? Were you stalking him?
This person was not very active on social media. And yeah, we were not following each other.
अच्छा,
We were not
चलो.
we already had a private account and we were not following each other. in any of the social media account and all that. तो
Okay.
बट बिकॉज वी हैव कॉमन फ्रेंड्स तो पता है कि क्या चल रहा है एंड ऑल दैट, वो सब पता है, बट इतना कुछ नथिंग, बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी प्राइवेट पर्सन, ही इज़ नेवर बीन
अच्छा
वेरी.
नाज़रीन, if you want to eat something or drink something, please bring it and drink it, हाँ,
आई
क्योंकि
जस्ट आई
शाम हो
जस्ट
गई
आई
है
जस्ट
अगर.
ड्रिंक वाटर बस पानी पीना है मुझे.
Yeah, cool.
हाँ. सो आई
Something.
मेट दिस पर्सन ऑफलाइन when I was already meeting men through dating app. तो वहाँ पे भी
अच्छा.
बट
हाँ.
कोई ऐसा ढंग का कुछ मिला ही नहीं, बट वो मैं मिल रही थी एट द सेम टाइम. आई met this person and we became really good friends, and he was like such a good friend. Like for the first time I was like, oh, I met a guy who understands me, who's a good listener. I mean, वो मुझे इतना समझता है एंड वो इतना केयर करता है मेरे लिए. मैं बीमार भी होती हूँ जाके दवाई लेकर आता है, गेट गोज एंड बाइट्स मेडिसिन फॉर मी.
Classic move. ठीक है.
एंड आई फील वो होता है ना, आप लाइफ में ऑलरेडी जब मैं काम के
इतना थक चुके हो.
इतना, like I was already stressed because of work and everything, and suddenly he was like a breath of fresh air. uh, तो वापस
एक
मेरा
बात
वो.
बताओ, आई वॉज थिंकिंग, यू टोल्ड मी द स्टोरी एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग, जब मैं रेडी हो रही थी बीच में, कि अगर जॉब अच्छी होती तो भी क्या यू वुड हैव कंटिन्यूड द रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज ऐसा होता है प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में जब हम खुश नहीं होते हैं तो हम वो खुशी ढूंढते हैं ना पर्सनल लाइफ में कि यार ये इंसान तो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता है अच्छे से कि शायद ये मेरे
I
लिए सही
think
नहीं है.
it your what's happening in your work life has nothing to do with that. Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah.
ओके. सॉरी,
Because as I
सॉरी.
told you, it like I'm just not talking about myself. I've seen examples around जो जिनकी लाइफ में बहुत सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, the career is going good, still they have
स्टिल देयर.
they got into a toxic relationship. So that because that happens because we don't have awareness. We don't know how a man is, how a woman is, what are the different kinds of, what are the red flags, what are the green flags, what is a complete no-no, what you're not supposed to. What pulled me back was the first thing. Initially, it was his narcissistic behavior, where everything he was blaming me for. Initially, तो सब कुछ अच्छा था. I was, he put me in a bed of roses. He used to tell me that I'm the best thing that ever happened to him. And he used to constantly tell him, I love you more than you. I'll never cheat on you. But in my previous relationships, I used to never be committed. But
हैप्पी. या.
तुम्हारे साथ पता नहीं क्यों मेरा, I don't feel like cheating on you. Like, I'm never gonna do that with you. I love you more than you. Yeah, फिर he'll be like, no one's gonna love you more than me. No one's gonna tolerate you more than me. तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर वो फीलिंग आती थी कि व्हाट डू यू मीन नो वंस गोइंग टू लव मी और टॉलरेट मी, लाइक क्या मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ, मैं सो
He
डिफिकल्ट.
said that. Yeah, he said
Yeah, he
that.
used to
Wow.
constantly, not just once, constantly you say that no one's gonna love you more than me, no one's gonna love you more than me, and I
Yeah.
love you more than you.
Classic, classic.
And he used to do a lot of love bombing. He used to constantly be available all the time, offline ho, online ho. He
But that is so like contradictory. Like somebody, हाँ मतलब this part was actually nice. It makes you confused. Like time पे he's saying that only I can love you this much, and then he's also being available. So you're like confused कि यार ये बोल भी रहा है और है भी, तो शायद इससे better कोई होगा नहीं. And
हाँ, you
this is
start
the
like
last person. Yeah,
I
yeah.
used to be like यार, I used to feel so happy यार, ये तो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करता है, like he loves me so much. I mean, and I'll be like, oh, ये
Wow.
तो मुझसे ज़्यादा मुझसे प्यार करता है. I'm so lucky to have him in my life. He understands me. और initially तो मुझे बहुत support करता था in my content creation, all that. But then as time went by in the relationship, he started getting more annoyed with my content. He's like, जब देखो तुम्हें बस content create करना है, उस लड़की को देखो, इस लड़की को देखो. He used to compare me to his female friends. देखो, initially she's not into social media, she's not posting much. मैंने कहा वो post नहीं कर रही है क्योंकि she's not a content creator, right? I'm a content creator, तो obviously मैं तो post करूँगी ना. It's like you have a job and you'll go to office every day. So if I'm a
Yeah, yeah.
content creator, I'm going to be consistently creating. वरना तो मेरा कोई normal account ही मैं बना लेती ना. I would have made just a normal private account. मुझे कोई public account बनाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? मुझे content creator बनने the whole idea of content creator is you are constantly online, right? That is your
Exactly.
that is your
But tell
passion.
me something, Nazneen, कि अगर तुमने कहा था कि तुम content, you had learned by now that you have to pay attention to yourself along with the relationship. You didn't want to lose yourself in the relationship. अभी तक तो you had learned, but with him again you forgot that lesson कि now I have to pay full attention to him, है ना? वो unlearn हो गया था इस relationship में because of his narcissism, his gaslighting. Constantly
Yeah.
you gave up on content creation also. So tell me something. जब आप इतना कुछ sacrifice करते हो for a relationship, यू हैव अ बेस लाइन कि ये नॉर्मल है या फिर ये करना पड़ता है. वो यू कंपेयरिंग एनी टाइम योर रिलेशनशिप विद हिम टू वॉट योर मदर हैड विद योर फादर कि उन्होंने इतना कुछ किया था, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं करता, ये तो फिर भी अच्छा है. सो इज दैट योर डिड दैट लाइक व्हेन थिंग्स गो
नहीं,
रॉन्ग
मुझे ऐसा कुछ
डू यू
फील नहीं
थिंक?
हुआ. इनफैक्ट आई हैड अ फीलिंग दैट ही इज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ माय डैड.
उल्टा हुआ. ओह
Yeah,
माय
I was
गॉड.
like, yeah, he's having a lot of characteristic of my dad. My dad was a narcissist. So I was like, इसका characteristics तो बहुत मेरे dad की जैसा है. Like how my mom used to describe my dad and how I saw my dad. I'm like, okay, he's fitting into that very well. But then I'm like, I used to be like, यार, I mean,
तभी वो लव बॉम्बिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यू आर ऑलवेज कंफ्यूज्ड कि एक
yeah,
बार
yeah,
मैंने बना
yeah.
लिया
Like
तो
the moment
yeah.
I start distancing, then उसका love bombing start हो जाता है. And because you love the person, you'll be like, यार चलो ठीक है यार. रिलेशनशिप में ऐसे ऊपर नीचे चीजें होती रहती है. इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं. Let it be. I'll forgive him and all that. But then वो the I would say
ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट.
yeah, the breaking point was when I caught him cheating.
या या
And I caught him red-handed, and he was not accepting it fully. He was just justifying it कि उसकी मॉम ने फोर्स किया उस लड़की से बात करने के लिए, और 6 महीने से बात कर रहे हो, बोल रहे हैं बस हाय हेलो हो रहा था.
हो
मतलब
सही है. हाँ.
6 महीने से बात हो रही है, बस हाय हेलो हो रहा था. तो मुझे तब भी वो खटक गया था, लाइक व्हाट. ओ एंड अदर शॉकिंग पॉइंट वाज he literally wrote her name and his name, and he made an infinity symbol, and he on a paper, and he put it in his wallet. And I was like, and then उस पे भी he was
आई
not
डोंट
very good.
हैव.
He was like, no, this is my friend. मैंने कहा तुम अपनी फ्रेंड का नाम क्यों इसमें लिख रहे हो अपने साथ. नहीं नहीं, आई मीन उसने मुझे बोला था कि ऐसे लिखोगे तो आर रिलेशनशिप. मैंने कहा कौन सा रिलेशनशिप. हमारे रिलेशनशिप में इशू चल रही है, तुम्हें क्या मन किया कभी मेरा नाम लिखने के लिए. हमारे रिलेशनशिप में क्या इशू. मैंने कहा और रियली शी टोल्ड यू टू डू दिस, गिव अ कॉल टू हर राइट नाउ. So he was not calling her. No, I cannot call her. How will I call. तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, you don't trust me. This मैंने कहा no, I don't know. नहीं, तुम समझ नहीं रही हो. We my parents want me to settle down. They want me to talk to. वो ऐसे मैंने कहा ठीक है, अच्छा कोई एक काम कर लो. तुम्हें जिस लड़की से शादी करनी है कर लो, जिस लड़की से तुम्हें बात करना है कर लो. लेट्स एंड दिस थिंग. नो 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 नो, आई एम सॉरी, मुझसे गलती हो गई, आई एम सो सॉरी. But whatever he did, I was not able to digest the fact of what he did. I mean, he literally wrote another girl's name next to his name and made an infinity symbol and put it in his wallet. Like, I'm like,
व्हाट द हेल.
I'm your fucking girlfriend. मुझे छोड़ के तुम किसी और का नाम कैसे लिख सकते हो, और लिख के
एक
ऐसे.
बात बताओ, were you not suspicious कि तुम्हारा like he wasn't making you guys public also ना? You are not out, but is it a normal thing to do in Dubai कि people don't post about each other on Instagram?
No, people don't. Some people see. वो क्या होता है ना. See, there is a saying that when initially आप publicize करते हो तो वो relationship ज़्यादा चलती नहीं है, या
नजर लग जाती है.
नज़र लग
Yeah.
जाती है. So people don't make it public until and unless it's official. So that is fine. I mean, like my close friends and all, they knew about it. तो ऐसा नहीं कि सबको पता था, लाइक एक दो लोगों को पता था, विच इज़ फाइन. बट उसका ये था कि उसकी साइड से किसी को नहीं पता था. ओनली his family में only his sister knew it, and his parents had doubts about it. लाइक हिज फ्रेंड सर्कल में किसी को नहीं पता था. और जब मैंने उसे पूछा, ही वॉज लाइक, आई डोंट टेल एनीथिंग टू माई फ्रेंड्स. मैं अपनी लाइफ बहुत प्राइवेट रखता हूँ. आई एम लाइक ओके, बट या तुम अपने लाइफ प्राइवेट भी रख रहे हो, साइड में यू आर टॉकिंग टू अदर गर्ल्स विद द प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ
एक
गेटिंग मैरिड.
प्राइवेट गर्लफ्रेंड भी रख रहे
हाँ.
हो. नाइस.
और जिस लड़कियों से तुम बात कर रहे हो विद द प्रोस्पेक्ट, इसके बारे में तो तुम अपने सारे दोस्तों को बता रहे हो. एंड देन and you're telling, oh, that's just a high hello, or your parents are pressuring you, जैसे तुम 10 साल के बच्चे हो, and your parents are pressurizing you, and you're getting into that pressure, and you're talking to a girl. Come on, like, just don't give me this bullshit. So all that, वो होता है ना, the trust is already broken over there.
Yeah, yeah.
And he was repeatedly doing that. He was on dating apps, different dating apps, and he was also talking to other girls at the same time. So I was like, okay, I can't be with this person anymore. I have to get out of this. And it's not easy to get out of a relationship, or it's not easy to leave someone you love so much, but you have to take that decision because it's the right. Being with that person is not giving you any peace of mind. You're not happy with that person. You're not able to trust that person. He finally realized he's not able to mold me according to his terms and conditions. वो मुझे कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहा है. उसको पता चल गया कि तो मैं तो अपना जॉब क्विट नहीं करने, आई एम नॉट गोना क्विट माय जॉब फॉर हिम. तो ये सब उसको पता चल गया. ही डजंट वांट अ गर्ल ही कैन नॉट कंट्रोल. ही वांट्स अ गर्ल हु इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन हिम, एंड आई वाजंट डिपेंडेंट ऑन हिम इन एनी वे, neither emotionally nor financially.
Tell me that thing, na, father of the child. Movie to Instagram se aaya that I can't visualize him as the father of my child.
Yeah. So
वो
that
वाला पार्ट कब आएगा? कब आएगा? वही तो was the highlight.
yeah, that's what when I just came across this video where they were, I forgot other questions. They were really great questions actually. If I find that, I would definitely send it to you. I don't know if I have that video saved anywhere. They were like, I
Like,
think
yeah,
three or five questions, and it was like really hard hitting
deep questions.
questions. हाँ. तो उस जब आप सवाल सुन के ही आपको पता, आपको जवाब पता है, सवाल सुन के ही ऐसा होता है ना कि डैम, आई कांट इमेजिन दिस विद दिस पर्सन.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
unfortunately, I don't remember the other questions, but this one stuck into my mind. Can you imagine this person as the father of your child?
No, not
And
happening.
my answer was like completely no. I was like, my God, it's a no. Because it was like, when you're doubtful about a person, when you're not sure about someone, you love that person so much, you already know this person has a lot of red flags. I mean, there's so many traits in that person that this is not the right fit for you, but still you're so confused because you love that person. बीच बीच में वो प्यार सामने आ जाता है कि चलो माफ़ कर दो, चलो जाने दो यार, रिलेशनशिप में से ऊपर नीचे तो होता ही रहता है. When you're stuck between that, you have no idea. Just ask this question: can you imagine this person is the father of your child? And if the answer is no, you don't be with this person.
Bye, bye, bye.
Because you're not, when you get married to someone, you're not gonna
Yeah.
be always wife and husbands. Someday you're gonna be a parent. So is this the person you want your child to call dad or father or whatever? No, I don't want. I was like, no, I don't want him to be the father of my child. I don't want my child to have a father like him.
So tell me something. Do you still? Okay, tell me first. When's the first time you saw that movie, that life-changing Notebook, for you? When was the first time you saw that movie?
I wouldn't say it's like life changing, but it's like for me,
Ideal relationship.
I want someone like Noah.
No, yeah. So
Yeah.
you were in your early 20s, late
I
20s, कब था?
I was in my I was in my early 20s. Yeah, I was in my early
Early
20s.
20s, ना?
Yeah,
तो
because
तब से ले
it's a pretty old movie, na? It's an early 20s
yeah, yeah,
movie,
yeah.
2000s
Seriously,
movie. Yeah. So I was in my
yeah.
early 20s when and I didn't know there was a movie called The Notebook. वो टाइम पे there was no OTT, Netflix, कुछ भी नहीं
नहीं
था.
नहीं नहीं, of course
I,
not. Yeah.
I switched on my computer and I was searching. There was a Malayalam movie called Notebook. Okay.
Is it an adaptation?
So no. This was a very different story. How different story? It's about some three best friends, teenage girls. They are studying in boarding school. बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. So ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गई थी, तो मुझे वो मूवी देखनी थी. तो मैं नोटबुक, तो आई गॉट तो मैं नोटबुक टाइप कर रही हूँ, ये द नोटबुक का फोटोज आ रहा है. एंड देयर सो
अच्छा,
मेनी,
हाँ.
नोटबुक हैज सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल कोट्स.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has so many beautiful
People
quotes, and I'm
still like
seeing
it.
there's this boat scene where Noah takes Allison for a boat
The
ride.
arguments are real. Like क्या
Yeah.
arguments है कि
So
अभी
तुम
झापड़ मार
हाँ,
दोगे.
तो मैं गूगल कर रही हूँ, मैंने कहा ये क्या आ रहा है, एंड हु इज दिस गाय एंड अ गर्ल इन अ बोट, व्हाट्स दिस एंड ऑल दैट. तो बार बार मैं टाइप कर रही हूँ, टाइप कर रही हूँ, टाइप कर रही हूँ. आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर दैट मलयालम मूवी एंड गूगल इज ओनली शोइंग मी दिस. And then I became curious. I started reading the quotes. मैं कहा, अरे quotes तो बड़े बड़े अच्छे हैं, क्या है ये, what is this? Then I started digging deeper and I came to know कि there is a Hollywood movie called The Notebook, and this
Yeah.
snap is from that, the quotes are from that. And I'm like, okay. And then I started YouTubing it. YouTube में I started seeing few scenes. I'm like, oh, I became more curious that I need to watch this movie. And then I downloaded the movie through torrent, वो time पे. Torrent used to be our go-to place for downloading
Go
all
to
the
अभी भी है,
अभी
yeah,
भी. Yes, the
yeah. अभी
movies you don't get on OTT, you still get it on torrent.
yeah.
तो मैंने डाउनलोड किया and I watched it in my desktop computer back in the day. And I was like, wow. I mean, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग का सीन itself is, he is in the old age home, जो I mean उसका घर जो उसने old age home बनाया, and वो medicine जाके उसको देता है, and then he's talking to her like a stranger, and the story
Yeah.
starts from there, and I'm like, I literally cried watching that movie. वो
Okay.
एंड सीन
Nice.
पे जब एलिसन टेल्स हिम लाइक हाउ मच टाइम वी हैव एंड ही इज लाइक जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स एंड दे स्टार्ट डांसिंग एंड सडनली शी forgets her memory again and she just pushes him away and he starts crying because she forgot him again, and next day again he's going to do the same thing. And I just cried like anything, like wow, like this is the, I need to like find someone you can get old with, and like someone who would just value you, adore you, be with you even at this age. Because being young, when you're young and taking care of each other is not a big deal. You don't have to take care of each other so
Yeah.
much,
Yeah.
but it's about how you, irrespective of your age, but it's how you take care of each other in sickness.
Yeah.
Yes, in
Yeah.
sickness and health, they say, right? In sickness, like it's very easy to be on each other's side when you're doing so well financially, emotionally, you're in your best shape, you're in your best health, but your relationship is tested when you're not well, when you're in the bed, when you're so sick, and how your partner, like wife taking care of husband is very common. I mean, सालों से चल रहा है, generation, century से चल रहा है, क्योंकि that's what's been, we are givers. Women are
Yeah.
givers, right? Women are
Yeah.
naturally nurturers. लड़की हो, तुम्हारा काम है कि हस्बैंड का ख्याल रखना, उसको खुश रखना, उसको संभालना. But a husband taking care of the wife when she's sick, when she's bedridden, that is something very rare. And to have a spouse who takes care of you when you're sick, I mean, that's what I was like, that's the kind of man I want.
But you still believe in that कि वो प्यार, do you think that you are
Yeah,
capable to give
I
that
believe
much
in
to a
that,
person?
बोलते हैं ना, like, believe till it happens. When you keep believing it, when you keep hoping for it, कहीं ना
Give me
कहीं
some of your optimism.
या वो कहते हैं ना, कहीं कहीं यूनिवर्स विल कंस्पायर फॉर, यार ये लड़की तो गिव अप कर ही नहीं है, चलो इसको दे ही दे देते हैं जो ये चाह रही है.
Shahrukh Khan.
किसी
Got it,
चीज
got
को
it.
इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाए.
And here I was a proclaimed Bollywood lover. I couldn't even remember one dialogue.
Oh, that's
Nice.
my favorite dialogue, and to hear it from Shah Rukh Khan, wow. I wouldn't have loved it
Yes.
so if someone else said it. Thank God that dialogue is said by
Really?
Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah. Thank God it is said by him. I don't want to be defined by my past. Because what happened, so the lipstick which I am wearing, this is a shade of lipstick which matches with my overall complexion, and this is a lipstick which I keep rebuying. But to find this shade I have to keep buying different shades of red to actually find my perfect shade of red. तो
That's
सोचो.
beautiful. That's beautiful, yeah.
Yes, when it comes to human beings, there is a lot of damage happening inside your body, mind and soul. You feel hurt, you feel so disappointed, and some people, they start focusing on other aspects. They don't get into a relationship because they're very
Yeah.
scared to
Yeah, yeah.
get hurt.
Yeah.
And I don't want that. Yes, I'm scared to get hurt, but I don't want to. You have to. If there is a quote saying that if you're scared about something, that means you should go for it. I left my toxic work after 8 years. Did I feel like I don't want to work anymore? I was still ready to go out there, look for
Beautiful.
job.
Yeah.
तो अगर बाकी एस्पेक्ट में हम लोग गिव अप नहीं कर रहे हैं तो रिलेशनशिप में क्यों गिव अप कर रहे हैं?
जब हम जिंदगी का साथ नहीं छोड़ते, मोहब्बत का साथ क्यों छोड़े?
हाँ
नाइस।
वही ना. We actually,
ओके।
this is something that we need to give a lot of importance. We need to put a lot of work, and it's not an outside work. It's a lot of to do with our inner work. We have to be confident about ourselves. We need to love ourselves, and we need to be ready to put ourselves out there.
You said that you are a rebel, little bit of a rebel, or a lot of rebel.
Oh Lord, my
Rebellious, a
God.
lot, na.
तो मैं कभी कभी मॉम को मजाक में बोल देती हूँ, आप सोच रहे होंगे पता नहीं ये मेरी पेट में कैसे पैदा हो गई. I broke all the rules in my family's history. As I told you, like I'm the first girl in my whole family, the first girl in my
Yeah.
whole family generation who actually graduated. And I'm the first girl in my family who's out of the country. I'm the first girl who has a driving license and her own car. First girl in my whole family tree. Pehli ladki. And I'm the first girl who traveled out of the country, who keeps traveling for leisure. I'm very वो होता है ना मुंह पे सीधी बात नो बकवास. तो मेरा एक ही फंडा है, वो बोलते हैं ना जख्मी शेर को जगाना नहीं चाहिए. या
अरे
तो
जख्मी हो गया,
I'm
जख्मी
लिटरली
नहीं
अ
है।
जख्मी शेर, मुझे मत जगाओ. और मैं
यू
वैसी
आर।
शेर हूँ जो अपने काम से काम रखती हूँ, तो मुझे मेरे काम से काम रखने दो, मेरे रास्ते पे आके टोकना मत. अगर तुमने रास्ते में आके मुझे टोक दिया, मेरा अगर अच्छा मूड है तो मैं ऐसे वापस दूंगी ना, तुम्हें चुपने की जगह नहीं मिलेगी. तो ऐसे मैंने बहुत
ग्रेट।
सारे दुश्मन पाल के रखे हैं जिनको मैं ऐसे वापस देती हूँ ना कि दे दे लिटरली रिग्रेट देयर लाइफ, देयर एक्सिस्टेंस.
A lot of people जो 30s में जा रहे हैं, they are very anxious, ये भी शादी करनी है, शादी करनी है, शादी करनी है. You have navigated that successfully, and also you have kept that romantic light in your heart alive. जो दोनों चीजें successfully you have done. So what will you tell them? मुझे ये बता दो. What is the advice?
People who are getting into their, I would say abhi we should start saying that when they get into their mid 20s, uh,
अच्छा.
because 30 has become the new 20 now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think 30 तक पहुंचने से पहले ही बता देना चाहिए, you just have one life, do what you love. Just do what you love. तुम्हें जिसमें खुशी मिलती है, just do it. And life में रिस्क लेना है, ले लो. कुछ तूफानी करना है ना, वो
अभी
डर
कर लो.
वो डर के आगे जीत
Yeah.
है, तूफानी करना है,
Yeah.
जस्ट डू इट. ताकि
Do
कल
it.
जाके तुम्हें ऐसी फीलिंग ना आए, यार मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया. So I've met a lot of girls who got married in their early 20s and who are not yet married and who are there in their 30s. They never traveled, they never did all those fun things in life. They never did anything too funny. They've been those obedient good girls and all that. So I'm like, dude, you just have one life. Just do that. तूफानी कर लो अपनी लाइफ में, enjoy कर लो. Just go out there and have fun. Travel करो, travel with your girlfriends. Just travel with your girlfriends, man. That's the best moments. मैं अपनी like I open my Instagram and the best thing I see is the reels I recorded with my best friends on trips. I enjoy watching them. It gives me immense happiness. And all
Yeah.
those
Yeah. It's
memories I had with my best friend, because I'm like, yeah, maybe there'll come a time where we're not physically close to each other. Maybe she'll move out, or maybe she'll get married to someone where she have to move far, और हम उतना नहीं मिल पाएंगे. So जितना तुम्हें अपने गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ वो टाइम मिले, just do all those fun stuff. Not just those random, क्या बोलते हैं वो, boredom. रैंडम चीज़ें मत करो यार, तूफानी चीज़ें करो, फन करो. मेक लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मेमोरीज, ताकि कल जाके यू किड्स विल सी दिस कि यार हाउ मच फन योर देयर मदर हैड, हाउ मच फन एंड एंजॉयमेंट देयर मदर्स हैविंग.
शादी रश मत करो.
शादी रश मत करो. एंड सी, आई ऑल्सो बिलीव इन द फैक्ट दैट ओके, इफ यू थिंक दैट okay, this is the person you want to marry, everything feels right. कि तुम्हें लग रहा है this is the best husband, this is the person. I'll tell all the girls this question: can you see this person as the father of your child? Don't see this person
Hang
as,
on.
oh, the guy I love so much, I'm madly in
Yeah.
love with. Can you see this person as the father of your child? Can you? Is that a yes? Then okay, go marry him. उसके बाद अगर चीज़ें गलत होती है, at least you've learned your lesson. At least, क्योंकि like to err is human, इंसान है, गलतियाँ होती है. Sometimes we have to learn our lessons through a marriage, sometimes you have to learn your lessons through a child, so you have that option to get to know the person. So make sure कि they are fitting, they are ticking off all these things. Don't rush.
Tell me, Nazneen, जो तुमने कहा कि can you see this person as a father of your child? Of course, a very successful person is going to be a good father, let's say, because all men want a child कि अपने progeny को आगे बढ़ाए, वो सब कुछ होता है. But then, like you said, if I don't feel the love looking at the man, I can't just. Can you just marry for the stability at this stage in your life, or do you
See,
think love has
I'm
to
not
be
going
there?
to marry a guy just because he's going to be a good father. If he's if he's
Yeah,
if he's not being a good husband, what is my child gonna look at?
yeah. You would
What a
have.
child is going to grow up seeing. The child is going to
Yeah.
grow up seeing an happy mother, and he'll be seeing how his father is treating his mother. तो वहीं
So
पे
many people say this यार कि बच्चे के लिए क्यों adjust नहीं किया? I mean, dude, बच्चे are not stupid. They notice everything.
kids are noticing everything. Sometimes two things can happen. Either you emotionally unavailable individual, or you turn out to be exactly like your father.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so
Yeah.
why would I marry someone whom I'm unhappy? Because that's what my child will grow up seeing, an unhappy mother, and or two individuals who don't love each other.
Correct.
Yeah, I want the child to see two individuals who are so much in love with each other.
Individually happy also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
individually happy, and they are making each other happy, and he or she should see how the father is taking care of the mother, how the mother is towards the father. तो दोनों तरफ से वो बैलेंस होना चाहिए. So I'm not just putting the whole pressure on just one individual or one gender, but the balance have to be from both the sides.
Alright. And the patent question in 10 years, perfect life. क्या होगी? मतलब भगवान आ गए नीचे and said कि okay, whatever you want, I'll give you. So, what would you want? 10 years में. I want to build towards this life.
I want to become something and do something for the society, like to reach a point where I'm
Impact.
able to help people in some way, where I'm able to make certain changes in people
जैसे कि
who are not doing well in life, which are, all these workers, when it comes to all these laborers, workers, or women. I want to do something for them, who are, in a career where they're working as cleaners and workers, all these laborers,
yeah, yeah,
women
yeah.
and men, not just women, men. I would like to do some, I don't know what exactly, but there's so many things. I talk to people, I ask them about their life. Even in my workplace, I talk to the security, I talk to the cleaner, I ask them about their life, I ask them about their how many hours do you work, how many holidays. Today, I just came to know securities never get off.
अबे
So I felt so bad, and I
bad.
said, yeah, this is not fair. I mean, everyone deserves a off. At least हफ्ते में
Yeah,
एक बार तो
yeah.
छुट्टी होनी चाहिए. And जब मैंने सुना, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, and the person, then they have to work 6 to 6, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
No, no, not everybody thinks like this. They are like यार अपना अपना देखो उनका
हाँ,
उनका
तो मैं
नसीब है
लोगों
वो
से बातें
देखेगा.
करती रहती हूँ, so that is something I would want to do, and I hope God gives me that opportunity, that I'm able to do something like that, to make a difference.
You see
And
that?
I want to be happily married. I'm happily married
Married.
to the love of my life, and I have amazing, beautiful kids, two or three, I think so. I always love the number three. I don't know why. So,
3 kids,
two
yeah,
or
that's a
three.
lot.
I don't know why two or three. They shouldn't be one, because I want the kids to know the love of siblings. They
Six.
should
Yeah.
experience how it feels to have a siblings. Yeah, so I have siblings and we love each other so much. And I bought a house for my mother. My mom always loves to stay in a villa because she loves gardening.
अभी तो ट्रिप आ रहा है सामने. नेक्स्ट हफ्ता इज ऑल ट्रिपिंग,
Yeah,
राइट?
that's
यू
what
गोइंग
I
टू
told you. Like
पैक एंड
that is so unexpected. I wasn't expecting to travel, and then my best friend is like, "Yeah, long holidays आ रहे हैं, चलो कहीं चलते हैं." And I was like, "Yeah, she didn't travel last year because I was not working and she was waiting for me to get a job." I was like, "Yeah, she deserves it, and she wants
चलते
me."
हैं फिर. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
I'm traveling to Sri Lanka.
Why do you travel so much? I don't get to. Okay, amazing.
I'm just making memories and enjoying life.
You should come to India sometime. Again, did you travel in India? Like, you stayed in
India,
India,
I've
but did
been
you
to
travel?
India. I've been to Rajasthan, Punjab, Manali, and Bangalore.
You know what? Research West Bengal and then
Oh,
come to West Bengal because मैं तो नहीं जा सकती. Please come to West Bengal
you you
and
you are
visit.
from West Bengal, right?
Yeah,
Ah, okay,
that's
okay.
why I'm saying come to West
Okay. I
Bengal.
thought you're not in West Bengal. You're like मैं तो नहीं जा सकती, but तुम तो आ सकती.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं तो वहां नहीं जा सकती. You should come to
Oh,
West
oh
Bengal
no,
and
no, no,
visit this
never, never,
Darjeeling.
never say you can't. No, no, like you are supposed to travel the world.
I will someday. I don't know. अभी मुझे लगता है कि
Oh,
मैं
you
पूरे दिन इस रूम
see,
के अंदर
you're,
होंगी.
you're a podcaster. You cannot just limit to yourself to one place. You're supposed to travel. You cannot limit to
I'm
one. See, you have to climb though. You have to reach. The sky is the limit. So you have to meet more and more people. And tomorrow you
I have
might have to say
heartbreak.
कि तुम हमेशा virtual क्यों करोगी? Even
अच्छा.
like the best is sitting across someone.
हाँ, that is a
Don't you
dream.
have
हाँ,
that?
that
Oh,
is a
this is
dream.
the person. वो होता
Yeah.
है ना कि यार this is the person, मुझे इसका इस साथ पॉडकास्ट करना है. वो तो तुम्हारे मन में होगा ना कोई होगा ना कि यार this is my
बहुत
ideal.
सारे हैं.
Yeah, this celebrity, I want to
Yeah.
do a podcast with them. तो वो तो तुम्हारे रूम में बैठ के तुम नहीं कर सकती. Why would you want to have a virtual podcast with that person? You would want to be in front of that person physically, look at that person, right? And have the podcast. I mean, isn't that the most beautiful feeling?
I
Yeah.
will. I will one day when I
तुम
do get
तुम
there.
ऐसा मत सोचो मैं नहीं जा सकती. तुम ऐसे सोचो मैं जा सकती हूँ और मैं जाके रहूंगी. Don't limit yourself.
I mean, I'll never forget that advice you said कि लड़के क्यों शाय होंगे? लड़के शाय नहीं होते. तुम आराम से लड़कों का पॉडकास्ट करो.
हाँ,
क्यों शाय हो?
सीरियसली दुनिया में सबसे बड़े
I told
बेशरम
my
तो
father,
लड़के
you know,
हैं.
I went downstairs and I was talking to him, and I said I was shy taking the podcast of a guy. And my father said, okay, she's from Dubai, so she must be very conservative. I'm like, no, she told me this. And my father was laughing, like, she told you this, कि उनको ये करते शर्म नहीं आती, उनको podcast से शर्म क्यों आएगी? Don't worry, you take the podcast. So that was very nice, very nice. Thank you. Okay. तो फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट आ गए हैं. आई डिडंट मिस एनीथिंग, आई होप. कुछ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट डिस्कस कर लिया, लाइव डिस्कस कर लिया, ऑल दैट हैज बीन डिस्कस्ड. व्हाट डिड यू लाइक अबाउट द whatever interactions and what you think I could do better?
What I liked about you is I don't know. I just
Not
got there was instant connection when we started talking. I don't even know how you found me. I don't know. Yeah,
scrolling, a lot
yeah,
of people, a lot of
yeah.
searching.
You DM'd me, and I mean like out of so many
I think
people,
you made something on relationship now. You made a reel on relationship or something. I think you had a hashtag relationship or hashtag arranged marriage, something like that. Because I was looking at hashtags and
Hmm.
your reel got suggested because of those hashtags.
Which is that reel? Can you tell me?
Yeah, the mama's boy wala, something like if he's not taking a stand for you now, he'll never take a stand for you later, something like that. You were sitting in a car, I think, and you were
Oh yeah,
saying,
I was telling a story. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, something like
Mama's
that. And I
boy.
said,
Okay, okay.
yeah, and I
वो
said
वो
if she
वो ट्रू
is
स्टोरी थी.
in a
Okay.
relation, yeah, if she's in a relationship, she will not talk like this. This comes from a little bit of having experienced that. So
हम्म.
let me try my luck
वो
out. कि क्या पता
वो एक
she's looking
स्टोरी
for
किसी
someone.
की थी तो काफी साल पहले हुई थी तो आई स्पोक अबाउट इट. आई मीन
Yeah, and I
किसी और की
love
स्टोरी
that.
थी
Yeah,
वो.
yeah, yeah.
किसी और की स्टोरी थी वो जो आई स्पोक अबाउट इट. So
That's
yeah,
how we
yeah, I
found
remember,
out.
I remember. इवन मैं सुनती हूँ, मुझे वो स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है.
सी आई फॉर इंस्टाग्राम को भी लगता है.
So, like, sometimes what happens is, the work you do, if you don't love what you do, then how do you expect someone else to like it?
या 100%, हंड्रेड
Yeah.
परसेंट
So there are some reels which I post and later I'm like, यार ये I don't know, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. तो then I just delete it.
ओके.
Yeah. So
मतलब रिलेट होना चाहिए नो मैटर हाउ पॉपुलर इट
हाँ,
इज.
मुझे जब मेरे दिल पे वो टच नहीं करने लगा, आई एम नॉट liking it so much. So
हाँ
talking
रिलेट.
about you, when I started talking to you, I don't know, suddenly there was a connect. होता है ना, कुछ लोगों से आप बात कर रहे हो, suddenly there's instant connection. So initially I was like, I'm very particular जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ ना. I was like initially, यार कोई fake account तो नहीं है. एंड
अच्छा.
आई वाज सीइंग यू, फिर तुमने अपना वीडियो शेयर किया जो तुमने बनाया. मैंने कहा ओके, इसने वीडियो बनाया, ठीक है, ओके, देन शी इज समवन जेन्युइन. बिकॉज देयर कम्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर फेक.
इसीलिए मैंने पब्लिक किया था, इसीलिए मैंने
हाँ,
पब्लिक किया था कि मैं
आई
किसी
वाज
को
टॉकिंग
डिपेंड
टू
कर
अ
रही हूँ.
गर्ल हु वाज
हाँ.
टॉकिंग टू मी. वो मुझसे इंस्टेंटली चैट कर रही है. शी इज कॉलिंग मी.
इट वाज अ
आप,
बॉय.
या इट टर्न आउट टू बी अ
ओह
बॉय. And the person's profile was public, but it was that person's work profile. And then
अच्छा.
the person is saying that बहुत अजीब अजीब बातें कर रही थी. And I was like, ये लड़की हो के ऐसे क्यों बात करते हैं. And I came to know that this person is a boy. And I literally then and there blocked that person. So ऐसी चीज़ें होती है obviously, इंटरनेट में ऐसे काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं. And that person was not following me. I was like, why is this person constantly talking to me and not following me? I was like, then फिर बाद में पता चला, ओके, बिकॉज उसकी बातों से ही अजीब लग रहा था. देन लिटरली आई फाउंड आउट लेटर दैट ओके, दिस पर्सन इज अ गाय. तो जब तुमने मैसेज किया, मैं लाइक, आई नीड टू मेक श्योर दिस
कौन है
नॉट.
ये?
हाँ, मेक श्योर एंड ऑल दैट. देन ओके ओके, तुमने वीडियो शेयर किया. मैं लाइक, ओह वाओ, इट्स अ नाइस वीडियोस. इट साउंड लुक सो जेन्युइन. जो आई डोंट नो, यू डिड दैट virtually, because there was one
No,
video.
that was no, that was I went to her house and then
हाँ,
that
या
was a
दैट वाज
film.
दैट. फिर तुम बोल रही थी विल डू इट वर्चुअली. मैंने कहा ये वर्चुअल पॉडकास्ट क्या होता है, लाइक, बिकॉज
Yeah,
इनिशियली आई टोल्ड यू राइट, आई एम इन यूएई, यू आर इन इंडिया, हाउ कैन वी डू अ
yeah, yeah, yeah.
पॉडकास्ट. यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम वर्चुअल पॉडकास्ट. नाउ इट्स लाइक, यार ये क्या होता है, बिकॉज आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस पॉडकास्ट. मैंने अपने लाइफ में वही देखा है. People are in a room and they hold that mic, and there
Mike.
is someone sitting across them and they are having a conversation with them. So that what I see. जब तुमने virtual कहा, मैंने कहा यार ये क्या होता है. I have no idea. How is this girl
No
gonna
idea.
have a podcast with me when she's in India and I'm in UAE? Maybe she thought I'm in India as well. So, but okay, our conversation went on really good, and I was like, I don't know, somewhere I was felt like connected to you the more I was having conversation with you. And then like I enjoyed having the conversation with you, and then I was like, okay, and I didn't even know what's happening. Like, you were like, okay, you want me in a podcast. It's like she wants me in a podcast. मैं क्या बात करूँ इसे podcast में. You were talking about.
I was persistent. It was, hey Nas. सुबह उठ के ना से मेरा काम था कि hey Nas, how
Ah,
are you?
and I
What
was
did we do
like,
it today?
because I have never done something like this. मैंने कहा like मैं क्या बात करूँ, इसको क्या बात करनी है मुझसे. And you said you spoke about some arranged marriage love में. मैंने कहा कौन सा reel था. हाँ, because that reel is almost like I think more than 7-8 months old reel. That reel which
But you
popped up.
still said yes, yeah. That is like huge.
Yeah,
You didn't
and
know what it is, but you still,
I
yeah.
said, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to talk about my experience, about my life and all that.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I didn't know what I would say. But like our conversation turned out to be really fun. And
Did it? You like it?
yeah,
That's all.
yeah, even though you're so young than me, like almost, I think you're like more than 10 years younger than me. But still, you are so mature for your age and you have better understanding of life. Yeah,
क्या बात है.
you're not
ये
someone.
पार्ट मैं कट करके दिखाऊंगी मम्मी पापा को कि देखो, देखो.
Yeah, you're not like someone who's very naive and you don't know about what's happening around. And for you to actually, being that 12-year-old and look up to your cousin sister and understand what's happening to her at that age, and to actually, you know, become this, come up with a podcast and talk to different girls. And now you're trying to talk to men also to understand their version. You're not just focusing on the girls, you also want to know the men's version. एंड दैट इज़ अ बिग थिंग. आई मीन हर किसी में वो चीज़ नहीं होती है. Yeah, so you had
Thank
that
you,
space
Nasli.
since you were a kid, and for you to actually come up with something like this and have conversations, which would definitely help a lot of people जब वो सुनेंगे. Because this is what helped me. I'm, I would always feel like यार मेरे टाइम पे ऐसे कुछ नहीं थे. It was very difficult क्योंकि वो टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था, लोगों में इतने अवेयरनेस. जो भी मैंने सीखा
Hmm.
is from what I read because I loved reading. And through reading I learned a lot of things because social media तो बाद में आया ना. So only through reading whatever I got, only through that I was understanding things.
I wanted to show the people that when you have a conversation with a person, that's when you know them. You never know them from, you know, a little bit from the social media. It's difficult.
Okay.
One thing which I can say is that कि मैंने इतना कुछ सीखा है. It's an eternal optimism that you have. I think which was the पूरी conversation में वही था कि eternal optimism था, एक fearlessness थी, एक rebel था. Yet you are also innocent at heart क्योंकि अभी करना है अभी भी you're hopeful of finding your Ryan Gosling of Noah. Sorry.
No one.
But yeah, Noah. Yeah. So that's amazing. और trip भी आ रहा है सामने. So it's a happy. At least एक हफ्ता तो happy जाएगा अभी, right?
Yeah, I'm
चलो,
just
that's
I'm
amazing.
just leaving for the day. मेरा आज बहुत अच्छा गया तो अच्छा गया.
Have a good trip, and I'll see the pictures. I love the
Yes.
pictures, and I hope you enjoyed the conversation.
I enjoyed this
Thanks.
conversation so much, Maitri, and I'm so glad I was able to connect to an individual like you. Yeah.
I'm glad that I got to connect like you. I know it's
Yeah.
cliched, but I was.
And I wish
So,
you all the best for your podcast, or let it be let this be the beginning of many more podcasts.
yes, and I wish you a very happy trip, and I wish you that someone happens soon, and I wish you it happens through this platform. I
Yeah.
mean, I hope I get to interview
Aj
somebody
wish
and you
I keep saying that, isn't it wonderful? Yes, it's wonderful. So,
it will be wonderful.
yes.
Thank you so much, Naz, for your
Thank you.
time. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Nazneen, sitting across you, I forgot that you were older than me because you never once made me feel that way. You didn't preach, you didn't say, you don't even know what a hard life is, and you had it genuinely hard. And that takes a completely different kind of person. You lost the dream of becoming a doctor, you had to grow up way too fast. You supported your family, you were the first girl to start something new, to get out of the city, to learn, to travel, and take on the world on your own terms. And you endured heartbreaks along the way from people who should have protected you. And amidst all this, you still choose to love people fiercely. You still choose to see the goodness that life has to offer, travel, have that funny heart. And then, of course, dreaming about Noah, that soft heart that is still intact, that is everything. The easiest thing after all that you've been through is to become bitter. You didn't. And I don't think people realize how hard that actually is. 10 years from now, you're going to look back at this phase and just smile because your life is genuinely just getting started. And you Noah, I know he's coming, I'm sure of it because you deserve it and so much more. Never lose that heart, Nazneen. The world needs more of you, the more of that heart. We are cheering for you.